Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Windows search bar not working. If the Windows search bar is not working on your Windows 11 system, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you fix it. First method, restarting Windows Explorer can often resolve search bar issues. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list or use the search bar. Right-click it and choose Restart. Next method, ensure that the Windows Search service is running. Press Win plus R, then type the codes. Press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Search. Right-click it and choose Restart. If it's not running, right-click and choose the Start button. Another method, make sure your system is up to date with the latest patches and updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates or install available updates. Next method, rebuilding the search index. And fix issues with the search functionality. Go to Settings, search for indexing options on the search bar. Click on Advanced, then Rebuild under the Troubleshooting section. Next method, use the Deployment Imaging Service and Management tool and System File Checker to repair system files. Search for Command Prompt on the Windows, then click it to open it. Type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Last method, restarting the search process can sometimes fix the issue. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Find Search and the list if present. You can use the search bar. Then go ahead and right-click it and choose to click End Task. The process should restart automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.